Hello students, today we are going to see 9th standard maths first chapter set language exercise 1.5 seventh sum. What is the seventh sum? If a is equal to minus 2, 0, 1, 3, 5 and b is equal to minus 1, 0, 2, 5, 6 and c is equal to minus 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. Show that A difference B union C is equal to A difference B intersection A difference C. First we will take the LHS. What is in LHS? First you have to find out B union C. B union C means you have to write all the elements in the B and C. Minus 1, 0, 2, 5, 6, 7. And what is in A? A is equal to minus 2, 0, 1, 3, 5. So we have to take the common element for these two terms and strike out in A because we have to find out A minus B union C. So that is equal to, first you have to strike out the common 0 and then 1, 5. That's all. So B union C, A difference B union C is equal to minus 2, 1 and 3. This is first equation. And let us take RHS. What is in RHS? First you have to take A minus B, that is A difference B. So that is equal to A difference B means you have to take the common for 0 is common, 5 is common. So what are the elements in A you have to write? So minus 2, 1, 3. And next term is A difference C. So you have to write A difference C. A and C you have to find out which one is common element, that is 5. That's all. So you have to write minus 2, 0, 1, 3. So we have to common term for A difference B and A difference C, that is the RHS. So what is the common? Minus 2, 1, 3. The same only come. So A difference B intersection A difference C is equal to minus 2, 1, 3. This is 2. So 1 is equal to 2. Hence proved. So A difference B union C is equal to A difference B intersection A difference C. Hence proved. Let us see the ninth sum. Verify A difference B intersection C is equal to A difference B union A difference C using Venn diagram. Let us see how to prove by Venn diagram. First you have to draw the three sets A, B, C, like that you have to draw the three circles. So using this Venn diagram you have to use, first you have to represent this LHS and RHS. So first one you have to take, this is for A. Which one is A? This is A. So you have to share that portion. And next one is B intersection C. So you have to take this one. So B intersection C means you have to take this intersection part for B intersection common part. This is. And this is A difference B intersection C. What is the common term? This term is common. So the remaining term is you have to share. What is the remaining term here? Except this term, what are the remaining terms here? You have to share. this is common, and all the other parts you have to share. Because this term only the common element for these two terms. So, two diagrams. So, you have to take this part is except this common part, the other terms in the A portion you have to draw. Can you understand, students? Okay. Now, what is A difference B? This is for taking 1. Because you have to LHS is consider as 1 and this is considered as 2. These two diagrams will be equal. We have to prove. So, A difference B. First, this is A difference B. And this is for A difference C. So, you have to take A difference B means what is AB common term? This term is common. So, except this common term, you have to share this one. Can you understand, students? This is common term for A and B. Except this common, you have to remaining the terms. So, remaining portions are you have to share. Next one, A difference C. You have to take A and C. This is the common for A and C. And what is the remaining? You have to share this. And union. This part and this part you have to take. So, except this only, not here, and this is also the portion is not here. So, you have to take this A difference B union A difference C. So, you have to share this portion. So, this is 2. So, what is this? A difference B intersection C, and this part is A difference B union A difference C. So, 1 and 2 are equal. 1 is equal to 2. Let us prove, hence proved this A difference B intersection C is equal to A difference B union A difference C. Let us see the 10th sum. If U is equal to 4, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16 and A is equal to 7, 8, 11, 12. B is equal to 4, 8, 12, 15. Verify De Morgan's law of complementation. A union, what is De Morgan laws of complementation? A union B, the whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. First you have to take LHS. What is A union B? First you have to find out A union B and then A union B the whole dash. A union B means you have to write A terms and B terms. So 4, 7, 8, 11, 12, 15. And then A union B the whole dash. What is the meaning of A union B the whole dash? That is complement of A union B. You have to find out what is in the union. Except these terms, the remaining terms you have to write for complement. So 4, 7, 8, 11, 4, 7, 8, 11, 12, 15. So 10 and 16. 10 and 16 is A union B the whole dash. And then RHS, this is considered as 1. And then RHS. RHS is equal to, first you have to take A dash. What is A dash? Except this A terms in union, the remaining terms in union, that is A dash. So you have to take 7, 8, 7, 8, 11, 12. 7, 8, 11, 12. So except that terms, we have to write 4, 10, 4, 10, 15, 16. And then B dash. Next one is B dash. What is B dash? 4, 8, 12, 15. Strike out 4, 8, 12, 15. So we have to take 7, 10, 11, 16. 7, 8, 10, 11, 16. So now we have to find out A dash intersection B dash. What is A dash intersection B dash? That is equal to, take the common for these two terms, 10, 16. So 10, 16. This is considered as 2. So this and 1 and 2 are equal. 1 is equal to 2. Hence proved A union B the whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. Let us see the 11th sum. Verify A intersection B the whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash using Venn diagram. So you have to, this is complement of the sets. So you have to put in the box in the two sets. Inside you have to draw the two sets. So first one is for LHS. This is for LHS and this is for RHS. First you have to represent, this is for A intersection B. And this is for A intersection B the whole dash. And this is for A dash. And this is for B dash. And this is for A dash union B dash. Let us prove 1 is equal to 2. That is last final result will be true. So first A intersection B. What is the common part for these two terms? Two sets. You have to draw like this. And then for this one, except this term, all the other terms, that is the meaning of complement of A. So complement of A intersection B. You have to shade like this. So except this part, you have to shade the remaining area. And what is A dash? Except A. Don't shade this A portion. The remaining you have to shade like this. Okay. Now B dash. Except B, you have to shade the remaining portion. Next one, A dash union B dash. You have to draw this two combined together. So what is the portion? Except this common term, all the remaining parts you have to shade. Therefore, A intersection B the whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash. Okay students, thank you. Thank you for watching. We will see the next exercise in the next class. Thank you.